Hi guys, it's Jasmine here today. I'm reading something, a package, with Japanese words on it, or Chinese or Korean. So let's get it. I know it leaves it just in that stairs. See that stairs? They just leave it over there. So I'm just gonna go and get it. Oh, there it is. So here it is. So I'm just gonna go and start opening it up. So this is it, guys. This is the package. Going to open it. Going to open it up. Ooh. So here we have slime. I'm sorry about that. Next we have another slime. It's color blue. Another slime which is dark purple. Gonna open it up. I think this is the same from a slime, but I promise guys I didn't put it in the container. I didn't know who is this from. So I'm just going to put it back. And last we have the magnet. It's a star. And yeah. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you like, subscribe. Bye.